Hi, this is Shrikant. Today's class we will discuss about how to find number of triangles in a figure. Okay, this type of questions mostly asked in competitive examinations like RRBs, SSC. Okay, in these competitive exams, this type of questions will be coming. Suppose we have different types of figures in which we can find the number of triangles. We will discuss about in the form of type 1. First, we will discuss about type 1. Okay, here consider some basic figures. Okay, these are type 1 types of figures. By simply seeing, we can find in which total number of triangles is 1. Okay, here total number of triangles is 1, 2 and 3. But here it is somewhat complicated. For this, we have one trick. We can easily find out how many triangles is there in that particular figures. Okay, here for example, in which triangle total how many number of base is there? Total number of base is 1. Means here number of triangles is 1. Here number of base is 1, 2. Means total number of triangles is 1 plus 2, 3. Similarly here number of base is 1, 2, 3. Means 1 plus 2 plus 3 is 6. Here number of triangles is 6. Here number of base is nothing but n. We have formula for this. We can easily find out. Okay, just by seeing that particular figure, how many number of triangles is there in which. Okay, here number of bases, for example, n is number of bases. This is the formula for this type of figures. Here n is 3, 3 plus 1 divided by 2 means 3 4 is 2. By 2 means 6. Here the number of triangles is 6. Likewise, we can easily find out. First of all, we will check it how many number of bases is there. Suppose we can add one more base here. This is 4. Means 4 into 5. Simply we can find 4 into 5 divided by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 5 is 10. Number of triangles is 2 in which. Likewise, we can find out n number of problems based on this type of basis. This is the formula for that. Okay. Come to the type 2 type of questions. This is one triangle and this is another one. This is another one. Here in which how to find number of triangles. We know this is 1 means one base is there means one triangle. Here one base is there and here one more base is there, then total number of triangles is 2 here. Means here we can easily find how many number of horizontals is there. Based on that we can tell how many number of triangles is there in that particular figure. 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 triangles. This is simple. Similarly, here we can draw one line like this. Now, how many triangles is there? Means here we know the trick, right? How many number of bases is there? Means 1 and 2. For this, we have 1 plus 2, 3. Here one more base is there, na? 1, 2. Here, how many triangles is there? 1 plus 2, 3. Total 6 number of triangles is there in which type of diagram. Okay. Similarly here 1 2 1 2 1 2 and 1 2 means 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Total 12. In which total 12 number of triangles in there. Okay. We can move to third type. Sorry, one more type of question will be asked in this type of exams. Suppose this type of diagram, this is the advanced one. Here how many triangles is there means we know the trick, how many bases is there. 1 2 3 4 5 means 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, or otherwise 5 into 6 divided by 2. We have formula for this type of figures. n into m plus 1 by 2. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10 and 5 15. Here how many bases is there? 1 2 means 1 plus 2 3. Here 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 15 and 3 means 6 plus 15 is 21. Here the number of triangles is 21. Move to type 3. Here I have to consider one triangle in which you can draw one more triangle inside that outer one by joining their midpoints. Here you can draw two more triangles. First of all, we will discuss about this one. We know this is one triangle, and in which one more triangle is there like this. Here this is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. Outer one is 5. Total number of triangles is 5. 4 plus 1. It is easy. Let us come to second one. Here for each inner triangle we have to consider 4 and one outer triangle is 1 means total number of 5. Here this is one inner triangle and this is another inner triangle means for this one we have to consider 4. For this one we have to consider 4 and one outer triangle is 1 means total number of triangles is 9. This is a simple trick. Such type of diagrams. Here come to this one. Total how many inner triangles is there? 1, 2, 3 means 4, 4, 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus one outer triangle. Means here total number of triangles is 13. Likewise, we can easily find out how many number of triangles is there. This type of figures. Suppose for example, some slight modification. Here one line is there like this. We have same trick. Here one outer triangle and one inner triangle. For inner triangle we have to consider 4 plus, for outer triangle we have to consider plus 1 plus. Here for each line, this is one triangle and this is one triangle. For each line we have to consider two triangles. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 lines is there. Means total number of here 2 and here 2. Total number of 6. Total number of triangles is here 11. Likewise, we can easily find out how many number of triangles is there. Come to the type 4. type 4. Okay, before that, one general figure we can okay drawn here. This is one square. Here, this is type 4 of questions. Here, how many triangles is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Means 4 into 2, 8. Total number of triangles is there here is 8. Suppose how many triangles is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 8 into 2, 16. Total number of triangles is there, in which diagram 16. Suppose now for outer you can consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For inner 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means total 16 plus 16. Total number of triangles is 32. Okay? This is type 4 type of questions. Come to the next type. In which total how many number of triangles is there? Means here for each side 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each side 3 base is there, right? For this type of figures, we have one trick. Total 1, 2, 3. How many base is there? 1, 2, 3. 1, and we can add 1 plus 2. Means here it is 3, and we can add 3 plus 3. It is 6. Total number of, okay, here 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. Plus, from here we can move upside, and bottom one we can left this. Alternatively, we have to consider, we can left this one, and we have to consider this one, and we have left this one. Means plus 3. Means total 13 number of triangles is there in such type of diagram. Similarly, same trick we have to apply for somewhat complicated, means some advanced level. Here sorry. Okay. Here in which 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each side we have number of bases is 4. Same trick 1. Sorry. Here total number of bases is 4. Okay. We can add 1 plus 2 and can write here 3, and 3 plus 3 we can add 3 plus 3 and write here 6. we can add 6 plus 4 and right here 10. Total how much? 10 plus 6, 16, 19, 20. And from here we can move upward direction and we can add alternatively. We can left bottom one and we have to consider next one, and we have to left and we have to consider top. Means alternatively we have to add, okay, to this number. 6 plus 1 means total number of triangles is 27. Okay. Likewise, we have different types of, okay, triangles, different types of figures. Means how to find number of triangles in those figures. Okay, these are the types. Thanks for watching.